7 Proven Tips to Get a Flat Stomach by T. Berry. Slide 1 Introduction. 7 Proven Tips to Get a Flat Stomach. Many people dream of achieving a flat, toned stomach, but the truth is, it's not about quick fixes or miracle diets. Instead, it comes from building consistent habits that burn fat, strengthen your core, and support overall health. In this video, I'll share 7 proven strategies that will help you transform your abs and feel more confident in your body. These tips are simple, sustainable, and effective. And when combined consistently, they can make a dramatic difference in your stomach and your entire fitness journey. Let's dive in. Slide 2. Nutrition. The foundation, flat stomach, starts in the kitchen. You've probably heard the saying, abs are made in the kitchen, and it's true. The fastest way to flatten your stomach comes from lowering body fat, and that happens with a clean, balanced diet. Focus on whole foods like lean protein, vegetables, fruits, and complex carbs, while cutting down on sugary drinks and processed snacks. Creating a calorie deficit with proper nutrition is the foundation that makes your ab workouts and cardio actually pay off. Slide 3. Stay hydrated. Drink more water. Another overlooked tip for a flat stomach is staying hydrated. Dehydration can cause bloating and water retention, which makes your belly appear bigger than it actually is. Drinking enough water each day helps your digestive system work smoothly, reduces that puffy feeling, and even helps control hunger cravings. Aiming for 8 to 10 glasses of water daily can give your body the boost it needs to slim and flatten your midsection. Slide 4. Prioritize core training. Strengthen your core. Targeted core workouts strengthen and tone your abs, which helps shape a flat stomach over time. Instead of endless crunches, focus on dynamic movements like planks, mountain climbers, leg raises, and ab rollouts that engage all areas of your core. Strong core muscles not only improve appearance, but also improve posture, balance, and athletic performance. Dedicate 2 to 3 focused core workouts per week, and you'll start seeing real definition. Slide 5. Mix in HIIT, cardio burn fat, with high-intensity cardio. If you want a flatter stomach, cardio is essential for burning calories and reducing overall body fat. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is one of the fastest ways to achieve this. Short bursts of effort like sprinting or cycling, followed by rest, torch calories and keep your metabolism elevated for hours. Just 20 to 30 minutes of HIIT 2 to 3 times a week can accelerate fat loss and help your stomach flatten much faster than long, slow cardio sessions. Slide 6. Manage stress and sleep. Sleep well, stress less. Flat stomach goals aren't just about diet and exercise. Stress and sleep can make or break your progress. High stress raises cortisol levels, a hormone linked with increased belly fat. At the same time, poor sleep disrupts hunger hormones and slows recovery, leading to overeating and fatigue. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep and use stress-relieving practices like meditation, yoga, or walking to give your body the chance to burn fat efficiently. Slide 7. Watch portion sizes. Master your portion control. Even healthy foods can slow your progress if you eat too much of them. Portion control is key when working toward a flat stomach. Try mindful eating. Take your time with meals. Stop when you're satisfied, not stuffed, and use smaller plates to help control servings. This simple strategy prevents overeating, reduces bloating, and makes it easier to stay in the calorie deficit needed for fat loss. Slide 8. Reduce bloating. Beat the bloat for a slimmer look. Did you know that what you eat can directly impact belly bloating? Dairy, carbonated drinks, and salty foods are common culprits behind a swollen midsection. On the other hand, incorporating foods like ginger, cucumber, leafy greens, and probiotic-rich yogurt can aid digestion and keep your stomach flatter throughout the day. Paying attention to how your body reacts to certain foods can make a noticeable difference in how your waistline looks and feels. Slide 9. Stay consistent and patient. Consistency is your key to success. One of the most important tips is patience and consistency. Getting a flat stomach doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of healthy choices stacked day after day. Focus on small, sustainable changes, and you won't just lose fat, you'll gain new confidence and lifelong habits. If you stick to your nutrition, stay active, and keep your stress balanced, the flat stomach you're working for will absolutely come. Slide 10, closing. Start your flat stomach journey today. You now have 7 powerful tips to help you flatten your stomach in a healthy and realistic way. Remember, from cleaning up your diet to strengthening your core, staying active, and giving your body the recovery it needs, every choice adds up over time. It's not about perfection, but about staying consistent and building better habits daily. Start applying one tip today, keep building, and watch your transformation unfold week by week.